This is Bran, and another famous Celtic legend, and you can see the Celtic references in the portal on which he stands. Again, I've gone with the crescent idea, and this is important because a full circle, a full moon, is obvious and very powerful, but a crescent one is even more exciting. And maybe it's just a personal opinion, but the human mind and our eyes, we know it makes a circle, and I'm obsessed with those circles and those ever increasing concentric layers of storytelling and maths all together. So the terminuses of all the branches that are growing in this forest around the Celtic circle, again, also terminate in little rings. And so it's like they've begun as small tales and then they've become these huge legends. And on top, there's this huge legend, this enormous raven, which is obviously deliberately above your eye line. And he's looking down at you, inspecting you, can't quite tell his mood. And then, of course, he's holding a golden ring. Again, a reference to the golden section and the secret of life, medicine, of herb lore, and of natural balance, which, of course, we grew up with and still use so much today, although we're not always so aware of it.